Hello everybody! My topic today is how to dance like a pro, 10 useful hints for the leader. Number 1. Invite with style and etiquette. That gives your partner the chance to say no if she is not ready in a most polite way. Impress on first sight. Clean and elegant appearance with a well-fragrant aftershave will not only make you an attractive dancer, furthermore, it declares your respect for the lady. When real pros dress and smell always good, something which is worth to copy and also easy to copy. Number 3, convince with your embrace. Many men just use one embrace for every lady. Sometimes it works, often not. Simply because different women demand different embraces. Ask your teacher how you can get into communication with the lady to develop an embrace which both of you feel comfortable. In your circle of friends, you might ask some ladies how they feel and how comfortable they feel, and also ask them what they would like to have changed, so that you can make an evaluation about your embrace with different women. So once you have the confidence and the experience to change the embrace according to the woman, then you have the special edge. Number 4, keep it simple. Have you seen dancers dancing on the social dance floor when they are improvised? They keep everything quite simple. They start very basic, just walking, very calm, building up connection with the partner, connection with the music. They tune in themselves and they walk and walk, indulging themselves with serenity and relaxation. Step by step, they will build up excitement with some little turns, alternating rhythm here and there, putting in a pause, but no big figures. They continue with a milonguero turn, some simple combination. Most ladies are able to follow. If the connection is very well and she responds to you very well, then you can build up your dance. You develop your dance through the music until the end, and in the end, when the music builds up in excitement and dramatic maybe, then you create one delightful variation with a nice little but beautiful ending, and there you create the wow effect. Number 5, work with spine dissociation. Do some homework to improve your body. Practice every morning and every evening under the shower. Get the hot water and then you turn around and touch the wall without moving your feet showing away from the wall. And you practice that for a while, and while the water is running on your back, so it relaxes your spine muscle, and then you can do this practice every day. You can use the time in the shower to wake up to do this little exercise, because the spine flexibility in this way is the most important for tango dancing. Of course, it would be perfect if you could get one yoga or one Pilates class regularly. That would be very helpful, but with this little exercise I was explaining to you, that helps already a lot for a social dancer. Number 6, focus on a clean walk. More important than any figure or any dramatic pose is the walk. So go through your center and push into each step and put importance in the weight, in a clean weight change. Number 7, conversation on the dance floor. In tango, we do not talk during the dance. It's impossible because we have to listen to the music, because the music will tell us what to do. So when we talk, we cannot listen to the music, simple as that is. Yeah? So we need to really to sense the partner and the music and put all our concentration on that. No talking during the dance. Number 8, listen to the music. Try to dance only to music you know. So when you are in the milonga and you never listen to this music piece, don't dance to it. Wait for something which is familiar. And to be able to get a better repertoire of music that you know very well, I just suggest you to prepare a little playlist or ask the DJ to give you some music of the most played orchestras and the most famous songs they play usually in the milonga. And you make a small playlist from like 3 to 4 orchestras, 4 songs, and then you listen to these songs, to this playlist, always in the car and always at home if you feel in the mood. And then you start to recognize these orchestras, you start to understand the differences, you start to understand the different character of the music, of the interpretation of tango, and you will slowly know how a pugliese sounds, you will know how a Disali sounds, and you will know how a D'Arienzo sounds. And while you are doing this, maybe you will also learn the names of the songs that you have in your playlist, and maybe also the name of the singer. So then you get more and more into this musical thing. If you feel comfortable with that, then you prepare another playlist. You choose other orchestras and you listen to that again. And with the time, without working too much, with the time, just by repeating this playlist all again, you will know the music. And when you are in the milonga, you will know what's coming. You will know how the music ends. You will know how the music is played, is interpreted. And then it will be more easier for you to dance to that. So that helps you to stay in the music. It helps you not to think too much, just to listen, to recognize. And that will provide for sure more pleasure for you and also for your partner. Number 9, stay 3 seconds longer. That is actually very easy to do. So when you are in an embrace and the song is over, I suggest stay in that connection, count until 3, wait a little bit, enjoy this moment, enjoy the closeness, enjoy the contact, and then softly open, but don't get it wrong. It has nothing to do with trying to kiss her or, to make advantage out of the situation. No, it is just that the embrace stays a little bit longer, so you have still the sound of the music. You just relax from the music a little bit softer. So that gives a little extra. And real pro dancer, they do that. And that is very, very beautiful feeling for the follower. It's a very beautiful feeling. So that I can suggest, which is very easy to achieve. You just have to remind yourself until it is a habit, right? Flirting on the dance floor. Be flirt, yes. Flirting is part of tango, definitely, as not always. I mean, if you want to, right? You can flirt, of course, but it has its limits. So while you're flirting more with your eyes and by talking nice things, but not with kissing or in tango we do not kiss on the dance floor. I mean, we have a very nice and soft embrace. We are very intimate with each other, but we are not kissing. Like the lady has her face very close to you and then you try to kiss her. You know, there are men that do that. I found that quite rude, and real pros will never do that. They will never do that. Even the lady wants or she doesn't want, or you hope she wants, do not even think about that. Everything is like, tango is more from the heart. Whatever you want from that woman, keep it for later. You can make an appointment to go have a coffee or whatever if she agrees, but keep it for later, not for the Milan. Work on it. It will beam your dance to another circuit, and the people who dance with you, they will definitely feel the difference, and you will earn the compliment. So that I'm sure about it. I wish you good luck, and if you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye.